Hello everybody, I'm back, and today I'm going to share a clinical case of digital dentistry. Let's get in. Okay, so from the clinical picture you will notice that this patient has very bad oral hygiene and many teeth has to be treated, but I want to focus on these lower anteriors. So these three teeth here are very mobile. So I'm going to extract these three teeth and I'm going to temporize from this canine to the canine, including this lateral incisor. So from the movie clip, you can notice that these teeth are pretty mobile. And if you try to make impression for the temporary, maybe you will have to block out a lot around this mobile teeth. Or if even though you block out the teeth, you may have a chance to extract these teeth with the impression. So what I did was I took intraoral scan and upper and lower arch with the MEDIT i-500. So brand new intraoral scanner, what I'm using for a while now. So I encoded faster this clip. So after upper arch scan, I'm taking lower now. So after preliminary scan, I'm adding the lower parts, lower arch, a little more. So when I finish upper and lower arch, I simply did the bite registration with the lateral check bite. One key point is better not to register with the mobile teeth. It's better to have lacquer. It's better to make a lacquer that's not mobile teeth. So after I scan, I send the data to the lab that I'm working with. This case also done by Mr. GAO, dental technician in Korea. So what he did was he removed all the teeth, all the lower anterior teeth. Then he aligned new teeth as desirable. Then he printed the TAM. So you can compare the existing dentition and the new provisional restoration. So after he printed, he sent me the shell. So now I go back to the patient. I call the patient again. And first thing what I did was I cut off the crown, the tooth that I'm going to extract. Okay, then after that I prepared the teeth for the provisional restoration. Of course, I did some caries control as well. So after that, in this stage, I did relining of the temporary restoration. So I send my temporary to the lab who work by next to me, and he trimmed the margin and other area. So while he adjusts the temporary, I remove the teeth that I'm going to extract. Then I simply cement this provisional restoration on patient mouth. So this is how we started with. This is how we end up with. Okay, so this case is not very complicated. It's very simple. Temporization by using intraoral scanner, CAD software, which I'm used here. It was ExoCAD, and the 3D printing. Okay, all other clinical procedures are same, but it came up really nice. And so that was my last slide for today. I'm thinking to have another clip about digital dentistry. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back.